Watch as Reese tries to eat his bone.
He knows to watch.
Watch, he'll do it again if I can't stop shaking because it's so funny.
Reese, what's your problem, dude? Are you sure he's alright? Mom?
He's trying to eat the bone.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You might not be okay. He doesn't really eat bones like that.
He's fine. I will even check on him right now. See, look, he's done, and then he's getting more. See, he's fine.
We'll check on him later anyway.
Oh my god, my dog is crazy. Hey, Reese, do you ever feel like you're being stared at?
Look, you always do it to us. You shithead.
We are watching you. Can we have some? We want some of your bone.